Justin.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, man, I was wondering, can you help me? And how do you lift your truck, man? Like, can you show me how to properly lift
Luckily
it?
for you, I have everything set up already on coincidence.
So is it gonna be safe? Like, how do you do it? Like,
You know what, Chris? Let me show you how to safely lift up your truck.
okay, safely.
All right. So before you lift it up, you want to make sure you have 3 important things, which is your hydraulic jack stand. In my case, I have a 2-ton hydraulic jack stand. You have a jack stand on each side. Just hydraulic jack.
It's 2. What about the third one?
There's 3. All right, to start off, you're gonna make sure that this is tight because you want to jack it up.
Jack it up.
No, you're not gonna drop that. You want it loose for when you drop it back.
So you want it nice and loose, not tight.
Yes. All right. So I don't ruin my driveway. I have a piece of wood right here.
Let's look at that. Let's get close.
So what you want to do is you want to put it on the frame. Ooh.
Okay.
You're gonna bring it this way. Center that right on the frame. You want to make sure it's center so you don't lift it up unevenly. You want to jack it up a little bit so it's on the frame so you make sure it's on the middle. Oh, for crying out loud. And
Looks like we got.
that's pretty dead even to me. I don't know about you guys. Alright. Now you jack it up.
Jack it up.
It's probably Chris's favorite thing to do right here. Jack it.
That was Miss Coombs. I apologize for that one.
No, you don't lie.
What? Alright.
Miss Coombs, I know you're sitting there writing something on your piece of paper. I just want to let you know. This is 100 right here. Just throw 100
Get
on.
it off the ground.
Hi, Miss Coombs.
Work on it underneath. You want to make sure that just in case your hydraulic jack fails, you have these 4 jacks underneath it.
Hold on.
So,
Hold on. Someone's calling me. Hold on.
Come on,
make
bro.
a video.
Hold on. Oh, it's Miss Coombs. Hold on. Yeah. No, I'm not coming over. I'm making Justin's video. All
Oh my
right, I'll
god.
talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.
Chris, I'm gonna get in so much trouble.
Is that
Alright,
going
as
to
I
the
was
video?
saying, because Chris is an
Yes.
idiot, what you want to do is you want to put these floor jacks underneath it on the frame, just in case it drops. Alright, there's that floor jack on the frame on this side. Doesn't have to be tight. Give me a little space in there. You want to put it on the exact same spot on the other side.
We're at 3 minutes, 30 seconds. I'm turning this up.
Alright.
Can I pause it?
No.
All right.
I need all the time I can get. Alright. Now they're on the same spot on both sides. You can safely go underneath the truck without worrying about the hydraulic jack breaking. And now you can do things such as changing your brake pads, changing your starter, checking the oil, changing the oil. I think I have to. Just change more oil.
Stay on topic here.
Alright, yeah, that's how you safely lift it. As you see, I'm comfortable underneath my truck. Still out of harm's way 'cause I'm right here. I'm underneath it fully.
Go in there fully. Show them that it's safe. Show the world that what you have done is completely safe.
If this were to fall, I would die.
You would die.
You see that space? I would die.
All right, maybe you should get out. This ain't worth Miss Coombs'
Buddy pull.
project.
Buddy pull.
Not gonna lie, I am not sturdy.
And this is how you die.
I'm gonna survive this. And that's how you save someone's
That's how you
life.
save
So I don't know if anybody did that project or not.
And that's how you lift your truck up.
Hey. You idiot on the jack still.